Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, in this video, I will update the queries that we have got in the last video about TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring, and I will answer all the comments that we have got in that video. If you have any more queries, you can let us know. Few acknowledgements before we move on to the comments one by one. That the TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring interviews that for the test happen on 14 June are still going on. That means once the interview are not done at all the places, the result will not come. So all the students who wanted to know whether when the result will come, so I don't think so it is coming soon because interview are yet not completed. So wait for some time. I think it will come in August. And yes, so that is one thing that all the students who are asking about the interview results should know. Okay, let's move on to the comments then now. I completed 7 July clear for technical nature round. However, I have a doubt my selection because I have 1 year gap in my graduation. I was supposed to graduate in 24, but due to health issues, some years I completed my degree in 25. Just wondering if this gap will affect my chances selected. Ideally, they should have identified this before your interview, and this is you are not meeting the eligibility criteria because of extended education. But since they have allowed you for the interview, maybe they are fine with this. So just wait. If they don't consider it, you will not get the offer letter. If they consider it, you will get the offer letter. So you have to see, wait and watch whether you get it or not. Next, sir, I attended TCS Ignite second round HR round on 10 July in Chennai. What day I expect this round result? It will come, I think, in August. सर मैं BGC फॉर्म कर दिया हूँ लेकिन मैंने सर सपोर्ट नहीं किया, क्या करूँ? वेट करो, सबमिट कर दो. सबमिट के कुछ टाइम बाद आपका जब भी ज्वाइनिंग आएगा तो फिर से आपको ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स मांगेंगे और आप ऑफलाइन शेयर कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट विल बी डन. TCS नेक्स्ट स्टेप की वेबसाइट ओपन नहीं हो रही है. इट इज़ अंडर मेंटेनेंस, दैट इज़ व्हाई इट इज़ नॉट ओपनिंग. वेट फॉर सम टाइम, इट विल गेट ओपन. Interview date 5th July, TCS Ignite. Expected result, I already said, it will take some time. Next, which is better to choose among Infosys, TCS and Cognizant for a BCA fresher? I think all three are good companies, but from wherever you get the joining early, join it, because it is something that because all three are competitors of each other, and from wherever you start you will get a good exposure and learning. One thing is that Cognizant and Infosys are little strict companies, and when if you don't perform better or if you don't clear the test, they might also terminate you. But in TCS, if you join, nobody will terminate you unless and until you do any big blunder. So with TCS, there is more job security. But again, TCS can delay your joining. So that is one problem with TCS, that sometimes they delay joining for very long. So now it is your call. But if you think that you are good student, you can do whatever task is given to you. You can choose any among them, and I think salary are also closed. If it is a TCS Ignite, then 2.8, 2.8 and 2.8, so they are very close. So anyone you can join, no problem. Hello sir, I received offer 21st June, accepted the offer on 3rd June. I submitted documents 16 June. I will send more document verification. Yeah, so basically when your background check has still not started, it usually start before your joining. So now you will get the joining intimation that with the joining letter, and before that your background check will start and everything will be approved now. So you have to do nothing now. You just have to wait for the joining letter. The background check team will do your background check whenever they have time. So nothing is pending from your end. Next, so I attended TCS Ignite and Smart Hiring interview on 4th July in Nagpur, Maharashtra, and cleared all the round. So is it true that those who are selected all the round, they have high chances to get selected? Basically yes, but you cannot say you have cleared all the round. You have given all the round. If you have cleared all the round, you will only come to know from the selection mail. So you have given all the round, not cleared it. So if it happened well, if you are able to answer most of the questions, then there are high chances that you will be selected. Next, so I have completed BGC. When can I expect joining for smart role? Please wait, because joining can take some time. So no particular answer to that. Just wait and watch, can be said. There was a walk-in interview in Filter in Kolkata. There I was told that I was shortlisted and will receive a HR call in few days. Yet I have not received an HR. What can I do? So the person who called you and told that you are shortlisted, call him back and ask when you will get the call. Okay, so that is what you should do. तो आप तो TCS के अंदर रहे हो, कुछ जुगाड़ लगा के बताओ कब तक इस इंटरव्यू रिजल्ट आएगा. बेसिकली द पीपल आई एम इन टच विद TCS, they also don't have the clarity because this is pending with the leadership of TCS. But yes, it is also not like that कि रिजल्ट आ ही नहीं रहे हैं, रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं. लास्ट वीक भी कुछ बच्चों के आए थे, अभी भी कुछ बच्चों के आए हैं इस वीक. इसका मतलब रिजल्ट बैचेस में आ रहे हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहे हैं, सबके एक साथ नहीं आ रहे हैं, दैट इज़ ट्रू. एंड आई थिंक दे विल रिलीज इट इन बैचेस. सो वेट एंड वॉच करिए, आपका भी जल्दी आएगा. Next, I attended TCS Ignite second alternate. I've already told you result will take some time. Here is my situation. I just found official records for 2 student jobs. I didn't list on my TCS application. My plan is proactively email their HR background check to explain a mistake. Do you think there's a right upload? So records for 2 student jobs. I didn't list on my research. I just found official records for 2 student jobs. I didn't list on my TCS application. My password. I didn't get you the question. I didn't get your question. Can you explain, in detail? I'm not able to understand what are you asking exactly. What do you mean by official record of 2 student jobs? I didn't list on my TCS application. Not sure what do you mean by that. Next, I gave TCS Ignite in starting 14 June and on 3rd July my application is showing best. How much time I should wait for the interview? And it is going on. So, it can come anytime to you. So if you have cleared the written round, then it will come definitely. Just wait and watch. You will only get the mail if you have cleared it. So as of now, interviews are going on, so there are still chances. So wait for few weeks. If it doesn't come within few weeks, then there are less chances that you have cleared the written round. I solved both the coding question. May I select? Good chances of selection for interview, but in interview you have to perform well as well apart from your coding, so your communication will also be judged. So if a TS said that wait outside for HR round to candidate but only few candidates were called for HR round, what it means? It basically means that only those students have cleared the technical round, and if only few students were called for the HR round, that means the other students have not cleared the technical round. So that can be assumed by this. So if you are not called for the HR round, then there are less chances of selection. Alright, so I think we have covered all the comments. Thank you so much. If you have any more queries, let us know in the comments. We'll make another video to answer them. Thank you.